911, what's your emergency?
Please send help.
Hey Kelly, this is your first year at track and field, right?
Yeah.
Have you done running before?
Well, I used to do cross country in middle school.
Cool. What events are you doing for track and field?
I'm doing the 4x4 and the mile.
Oh, the mile. Okay, I do the mile too. What's your time?
It's 6:47.
6:47. Wow. So are you interested in running in college?
Well, I'm still not sure. What about yourself?
Well, I'm thinking about it. I definitely got to get a little bit faster times if I want to run in the future, but that's definitely the hope.
What are your times now?
I have a 4:42 mile, and that's definitely my best event, so we'll see.
That's amazing. Good luck.
Hey, what are you guys doing this weekend?
Softball.
At work.
Oh, nice.
Do you guys know when senior dish day is?
I think it's towards the end of the school year.
That seems pretty late though. I kind of want one now.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. It's kind of the middle of the year and there's still a lot going on.
It's the week before spring break, so I don't think that many teachers will give out that much work.
I don't know. I just have a lot of work and stuff going on with sports and a bunch of school stuff to work on this weekend.
But if we do it Monday, it's modified,
I guess.
so we won't be missing too much. You guys want to do Monday?
I'm down for that.
Want to meet up at Central Park?
I can meet you guys there.
I can pick you up.
Okay. That sounds good.
Okay. I'm really glad we decided to ditch today because I've been really stressed.
Yeah, I've been super stressed about figuring out where I'm going to go to college lately.
Yeah, I have school and work, and it's all getting really stressful at this point.
Oh, me too.
Oh, you're going to the East Coast. Don't you have it all figured out?
Yeah, but that's so far away. Nobody else is going there.
Yeah, but you have friends and all the memories you're about to make. That's something to look forward to.
Yeah. Do you guys want to sit down?
Yeah, that looks cool over there. Do you want to go sit there?
Yeah, we can go over there.
Yeah, I'm down for that. I'm so glad we're outside today and not inside a classroom.
Yeah, I was really not down for stat today.
I wasn't down for econ today either.
Yeah, me either. That is killing me lately.
No, me too.
Yeah, that game on econ.
Oh, I know. I'm 44th in that game right now.
Yeah.
Does anybody have water?
I have orange juice and Sprite. You want some?
Yeah. I can orange juice.
Yeah. How about you?
Sprite.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Since you brought something to drink, I brought something to relieve the stress.
Hey.
Oh my god, Poe, that's a lot.
It's not that much.
No, that's a lot, Poe.
No, I'll be fine.
She'll be fine.
Want some?
Yeah. Oh. Do you want some?
I don't know. I guess I'll try it. That is so gross.
It's not that bad.
You're being dramatic.
No, I'm not. That's so disgusting, guys.
Don't be so dramatic.
Is that the A-push packet?
Yeah,
Oh wow, that thing is huge.
I know. Tell me about it. I'm glad I don't have anything else to do today.
Except the track meet that starts at 3.
No way. I didn't even go out for lunch.
Well, I'm going out to lunch right now if you want to come with me.
I'd love that.
Yeah, let's do it.
So what are we gonna do next?
I'm kind of hungry. You wanna go get food?
Yeah, we can go to Belterra.
All right, let's go, guys.
Hey Kelly, I almost forgot. Where do you want to go for lunch?
I was thinking something light, maybe like plain broiler.
Oh yeah, that's perfect. That's right down the street. Hey, we were wondering before our meet if we could go get lunch real quick.
Of course, yes. Perfect, thank you. Enjoy your lunch and good luck in your meet today.
Thank you.
Do you guys just want me to meet you guys there, or?
No, I can just bring you back.
Okay.
Poe, are you sure you're okay to drive?
No, I'm fine.
Okay, at least want to sit in the front seat.
Where do you guys want to eat?
I don't know. Up to you, Adamary.
What are you guys craving?
I don't really know. How about you, Poe?
It doesn't matter to me. I'm just hungry.
I feel like just laughs at us most of the time though, which is pretty funny.
I saw him. He was just like rubbing his forehead, like,
Yeah,
what
I
are
know,
these kids doing?
Poe, you gotta keep your eyes on the road.
My eyes are on the road, Taylor.
They're really not on the road,
They
Poe.
are on the road.
You're looking at me and not at the road.
Poe, you just ran a red light.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I
See, Poe,
didn't.
your eyes aren't.
March and April and May are going to be really busy weeks with ASB.
Tell me about it.
Totally fine.
Please pull over. Please,
Stop telling me
Poe.
what to do.
Please.
Stop arguing.
This
You guys
isn't
stop
fine.
arguing.
This
Poe, there's
isn't
a.
Emergency? What's your emergency?
Oh, there's been a big accident in front of Ocean View.
Where is it at? At Ocean View? Okay, is it on Gothard or on Warner?
On Gothard.
Can you tell what kind of cars are involved?
Yeah, it's a white SUV and a white small car.
Does it look like anybody's hurt?
Yeah, there's blood everywhere. There's no one moving. Someone's on the ground. Please send help.
Okay, were you involved?
No, I wasn't.
No? Okay, what's your name?
Kate.
Kate? Okay, we'll send officers and paramedics over there, okay? All right, thank you. Bye-bye. Unit 88M and HB1 and any other units in the area, and 901T, Gothard and Warner on the Gothard side of Ocean View High School. Medics are in route code 3.
Please slow down for me, okay?
All right, thank you.
You doing okay?
Yeah.
I got two here. You okay? What's your name?
Penelope.
Okay, hold on for 1 minute, okay? The medics are on the way. Let's get C-spine.
Okay. And I heard you have additional units coming?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to go ahead and make you treatment unit leader.
Stand over here for me. Stand right there. Right there. Please. You drive the car today?
Yeah.
You've been drinking today?
Yeah.
How much have you had?
Not a lot.
Okay, I'm gonna have you do some field sobriety tests, okay? I'm gonna explain each test and demonstrate each one for you, then I'll have you do the test. Do you understand? Okay. First thing I want you to do is hold still, keep your head still. Look at the top of my pen right here where I'm touching it. I want you to follow my pen with your eyes and your eyes only. Do not move your head. Do you understand?
Yeah.
I want you to stand with your feet completely together, hands down to your side. I'm going to have you arch your back, look up at the sky, and close your eyes. Once your eyes are closed, I'm going to have you estimate 30 seconds in your head. When you reach 30 seconds, I want you to open your eyes. This next test, what I want you to do, if you stand with your right foot directly in front of your left foot, touching heel to toe, keeping your hands down to your side. I'd like you to stand like this while I explain the rest of the test to you. All right, go ahead and turn around that way, face that way for me. See your hands? Right now I am placing you under arrest for felony DUI. You understand?
Yes.
Spread your legs out. What's going to happen from this point, you're going to be transported down to the jail. You're going to have an opportunity to give a breath sample or blood sample. You can think about that while you're driving to the station. You understand?
Yes.
Officer Christie here is going to take you down the station for me.
Stay systole.
She's systole on the monitor?
Yep.
No pulse.
No pulse?
Still not breathing. We've been working her for at least 15 minutes.
15 minutes?
I think we're going to call it.
Go ahead and call her.
Jason, you got an update for me here?
Yeah, Chief, we're going to have to call this patient deceased. We've been working her for about 15 minutes. No, not breathing, no pulses. She just went asystole on the monitor and that's nothing else we can do for her.
We'll do it all, everything on our own. We don't need anything or anyone. If I lay here, if I just lay here,
Penelope, I need to read you something.
would you
have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you are being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Those three words are said too much and not enough. And if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life.
Mom. I'm sorry. Something happened. There was an accident and I was driving.
Would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what's
Time of death, 12:05 p.m. Kelly, Dr. Marushka, I have some bad news for you. It looks like you've had a spinal injury, and you're not going to be able to walk again. I'm so sorry.
Can you wake up for me? Wake up. Hi. You're at the hospital right now. You got into a little bit of a car accident. Can you do me a favor and try not to move?
confused about how it's well. Just know these things will never change for us at all. And if I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me? Just forget the world.
With Grandma in heaven. I love you so much. I'm so sorry.